Dear viewers, very good morning. Today I am here to tell you something that is been written by Mr. Chetan Bhagat, the well-known author and publisher and bestseller actually. In Times of India recently he has written an article and urged to the youth to come forward and please, he was urging that please contribute in the economy and he was right on this spot. He rightly urged to the people that please come forward, don't spend much time on the screen of your smartphone. Please try to get what is the state of the economy right now, because only youth can help. Youth can demand the upheaval, the overhauling of economy, the deteriorating condition of economy. He was concerned in that article and people praised him, and one must read that article, right? And well-known MP, Member of Parliament and author Shashi Tharoor also has praised him and encouraged, and I hope that this kind of articles help to understand that what really is going on around us. People spending much time on phone, on WhatsApp, on social media, on fighting of social media. People are debating over communalism, people are debating over this or that, but not ready to conduct a fruitful debate on how to upgrade, how to enhance, how to upgrade, and actually how to overhaul our economy, which is deteriorating. Recently the data has been released by the statistics ministry, and in that economy has fall almost 24%. The biggest fall has happened. We are the largest country, amid of largest countries in BRICS countries and other big countries. We are largest. We lost. The fall of economy of ours is greater, right? But nobody is willing to talk over this. Every youth is ready to discuss things like Bollywood, things like fighting over social media, over Twitter, microblogging side, but they are not paying attention on economy, and they don't want to indulge in this kind of debate, because they think that if he will go if he go to debate on this kind of issues, he must have to learn much. So actually they don't want to learn. That is the very concerning sign. People must come forward and must debate at least state of the economy. And in that article Mr. Bhagat has said that no country respects you until you are rich. So India was poor, America was not with us, other countries were supporting Pakistan. Now our state of economy is upgrading. That's why these countries are persuading us. So if we really want to enhance our stature, we must upgrade, we must overhaul our economy, and the youth is most important part of all this. So please spend less time on a screen of a smartphone and try to live in real world. This is the motto of Mr. Bhagat. So I hope you will be a good citizen. You will be a responsible citizen in ahead days, and with this hope I leave you. Good wishes. I'm signing off. Thank you.